Hi everyone, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. Today, I'm going to finally fulfill my promise to show you the changes that I've made to my studio. I really thought about my clients. I thought about all the women that I would love to serve. And I thought about my desire to create a space where you feel welcome, where you feel pampered, where you feel kind of doted on, and where you feel beautiful. And I have made every decision around these changes based on that, based on you and what what I want to create for you. So I'm going to share some of the pictures that I've taken, and the feedback so far has been overwhelmingly positive. And so I've taken a few pictures, so I'm going to share those with you. Enjoy them, and until next time, have an amazing week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.